Blessings everyone, this is Chris Kendall from therawadvantage.com, registered holistic nutritionist, raw food lifestyle coach, and raw chef. Today I have a super special sweet treat for you, raw vegan apple strudels. Let's get into it.
Baby, I like it raw. Raw Advantage likes it raw. Ooh, baby, I like it raw. Yeah, baby, I like it raw. Hey.
Alright, so I'm super excited to share this recipe with you. I posted it on Instagram at The Raw Advantage a few weeks back, and people were like, what's the recipe? What's the recipe? What's the recipe? And I wanted to share it, but I wanted to perfect it, and I've been working on it, and I think it's the best raw vegan apple strudel in the universe! But that's up for you guys to decide. So I want you guys to try this out and post below what you guys think. Plus, just so you know, if you want a whole bunch more simple, sweet, delicious, raw vegan recipes, just sign up to my mailing list, link above and below, and you get 3 free ebooks. But let's get into the recipe.
Ooh, you're gonna need 4 sweet apples, 9 to 10 medjool or sweet dates, 1 young Thai coconut, and a teaspoon mix of cinnamon with a dash of clove and nutmeg, 6 or 7 bananas, 1/4 a cup of psyllium husk, 1/3 a cup of raisins. There's the list. Pause it quick. You'll also want a high-powered blender like the Vitamix blender, full 7-year warranty, free shipping, and also an Excalibur dehydrator with Teflon sheets. Click link above to get your options. Don't have a cow, go bananas! Using the beautiful Vitamix, let's blend up those bananas with a 1/4 cup of psyllium. You might want to use that tamper to push it in there and get it really nice and smooth, all uniformly blended. Carefully pour out 4 strips of about the same amount of batter, and then carefully use a knife and smooth them out into 4 elongated oval patties. This might take a little bit of practice, but after a while you'll get the hang of it. Each of them want to look approximately like this. Slide them into your Excalibur dehydrator, put the lid on and set them at 118 degrees. Go back upstairs and put the raisins in a measuring cup and pour water on just to fill and then a little bit extra. 4 hours later, they're hydrated and these are ready to flip. Take them out, flip them over and carefully peel the Teflon sheets off of the patties. Put them back in the dehydrator and leave them for another 1 to 2 hours. Now fully dry on both sides, you can take a knife and chop off the edges to make a cleaner edge. Scissors work really well as well, especially around the corners. You can see the general thickness and clean edge there. Now we're going to want to cut those little teeny openings as is common in an apple strudel. Take your time and make sure you put the placement right, otherwise it looks a little bit off. After you've got all of them ready, we use the vegan grater and grate up these 4 apples. We don't want the cores, just be very careful with your hands, these graters are dangerous. If you see any seeds, just take them right out. Then we're going to take this young coconut and chop it open with a machete or a thick kitchen knife like this. Pop it open, take the dates, pit all of the dates and put them in the Vitamix. You don't want any pits. And pour just enough coconut water in to cover. You can drink the rest and scoop out all that jelly. Pour the cinnamon into the date coconut water mixture, blend until smooth as can be, and dump that over top of the apples. Then pour the water from the soaked raisins back into the blender and dump the hydrated raisins on the apple and date mixture. Stir this up really well and get ready to fill those apple strudels with this delightful sweet mixture. You're going to want to try and evenly fill each one of the strudel wraps. They can get pretty darn full. If you have a little bit extra, just scoop it up and eat it. Now carefully roll them up from the bottom first and tuck that top in and arrange all of them nicely on one Excalibur tray. You can stuff little extra bits of apple in to make them nice and pretty, and we'll slide it directly into the Excalibur for 1 to 2 hours at 118. Place all the coconut jelly in the blender with that raisin soak water, blend it until nice and smooth, and now you got your icing. They're all ready. It's been about 2 hours. Drizzle that icing on top, hopefully a little bit nicer than I have here. And then, they're done.
All right, well this is my favorite time to dig in. So let's just grab one of these suckers. Oh yes. And just bite right in. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. You try these out at home. They're darn amazing. And if you want a whole bunch more free raw recipes, including super sweet treats, desserts you can eat as the entire meal, just like these, just sign up to my mailing list. You get that one. You also get 10 sure shot ways to drastically improve your health and the Mediterranean Night excerpt from my TRA Retreat Treats book. You want some falafels and some tabbouleh and all that stuff? Just sign up to my mailing list. Link above and below. And of course, you can just check out my playlist as well. Links coming up next. And as always, wishing you much peace, love, and seasonal fruit.
Apple strudels. They're the best raw vegan apple strudels out there, G! Oh yeah, you made it to the end. Watch my raw recipes playlist in the top left, the video just for you in the top right. Subscribe for more in the bottom right. Get your 3 free ebooks in the bottom
Grab
left.
my free iPhone app. Comes with 50 free recipes, common fruit and vegetable calorie breakdown, a food combining chart, shopping cart function, and much, much more.